by Carl de Guzman.
So far, the 3 attempts nitong San Pedro, puro outside shots. Ano? They haven't engaged their inside offense yet.
Speaking of inside offense, that the end. He is blocked by Po. Slipped there by De Velez. Julio for 3. Yes, sir!
Jemel Julio extending the sample. He may not be the tallest big man that we have here, pero ganda niya dumipensa parate.
And here's Julio. Goes up and in! And that is a pound-for-pound fitness foul.
Mga players natin, after this power move, mula kay Julio,
And I've noticed that as a trend, Coach, na as we go up to the higher divisions, mas nagiging about the system.
Yes, totoo yan.
Yung game.
Actually, mga open court pero tinan natin to. A very strong move.
Mula kay Jumel Panahon.
Sa mga players, kaya instead of going straight to the basket, minsan nag-iisila mo muna yung ginagawa mo.
Exactly. Here is San Pedro. Nice pass from Gadlan to Panahon. Here they are on the attack. Nice pass underneath. Extra pass. And that will go in para dito kay Mark Zaide.
Good.
Here's Gadlan. Nice drop pass. And the basket goes in for Frank Rubang.
Frank Rubang, medyo
2 feet away from the line. Misses on the 3. Gadlan, forward pass. Wanted Sullivan to catch up. But underneath, blocked. But gets the second serving and the basket. Itong Frank Rubang. Tulad ng anong na-mention natin nung pregame, 1 apiece na itong dalawang kupunan.
Oo.
Eventually, their momentum. Let us find that out kasama si Coach Melo and Joel.
And find out we will. As yun na nga, na-mention ito, hinanap mo kanina, Coach, itong si Bonel Sacro during training.
Very unfortunate para dito sa Aces Solar. But again, an opportunity for the other guys to step up. Ito, hindi na kailangan ng opportunity.
Hindi na. Jemel Julio, 15-15. Let's take another look at that previous play by Jemel Julio. That was a side step 3. Here's Rubang. At ina-atake nga nila at makukuha ang pangatlong foul.
They had a smaller guy on him, pero hinahanap pa rin talaga nila kung sino ang bantay nitong si Julio.
Well behind early, but later on were able to compose themselves enough to mount a comeback and take the lead towards the end of this first quarter. And
ang manggagaling ang opensa, that's something that the Aces Solar would want to figure out here.
Victolero is free from 3, goes up for it, and he makes it.
Victolero quickly answering that question.
Here they are right now, trying to break this deadlock. Autor with that layup. Here's Sullivan, gives it up. Oh, nice pass and nice basket from Panahon.
Sullivan, even if he had the layup of his own, nag-decide na lang na i-give up ang bola.
And they do need to get him going as well. As itong si Victolero will get his second 3. Gets the offensive rebound once again. De La Peña this time. That was partially blocked by Sullivan. Timbol underneath with the basket.
Yeah, nagawa ng paraan.
Losing the ball there. This is Timbol. Timbol attacking. The layup is in.
Timbol, very versatile player.
Ito ngayon ang San Pedro. You've got 3 minutes and 15 seconds to go in the second quarter. Jumper is in para dito kay Friends Ferolino.
Ferolino has a good...
It's a pretty low scoring ball game so far as Panahon will get that steal and the breakaway layup.
Jonas Panahon once again finished.
He is the first player in double figures here with 11. Ang kasunod niya si Rubang. This will be his 13th point.
At yan talaga ang gustong mangyari ng San Pedro.
As a foul is called on Rubang. Substitute.
Pag ganyan ang hairstyle mo, a lot of energy will be expected from you.
Here's Jonas Panahon going inside and he will get his 15th point. Napakadali ng basketball para kay Jonas Panahon.
Jonas.
Paul will get the rebound. And here's Torrente. Ooh! Hangs in the air and Timbol will get the putback.
Yeah, that's really the role nitong si Timbol, doing cleanup job para sa
San
kanyang
Pedro Spartans as we take another look at that last play. And it's stolen. Breakaway layup para dito kay Torrente.
Good anticipation para kay Torrente. He knew that it was going to be a skip pass at nakuha nga niya yun.
And quick attack naman dito sa kabila. Half. Let's take another look at this. Layup by Torrente. Answered right back by Jan Carl Gadlan.
It's going to be a
Parcon alongside my partner, Coach Melo Navarro and Renoa Sanchez on the sidelines. We're taking a look at some highlights from the first half. And itong San Pedro Spartans had, as Julio has checked back into the game, misses on his first shot. Torrente underneath gets a back. Lirio, De Guzman, De Luna, and Panahon. Gadlan, elbow jumper is in.
and Gadlan naman ngayon. Naka-scoring mode na. No? Earlier, he was...
Here they come, that's De Luna. Panahon, getting a screen from Lirio. Step back three. Yes, sir!
That is tough para kay Panahon. That was a high arc. Showing you yung kanyang talent and skill level talaga on another...
Speaking of talent and skill level, comes up with the steal and the breakaway layup.
Kanina siya rin yung nagsimula, no? 6 straight points. Ngayon,
dito sa ating ball game. Here's Jonas Panahon. Gives it up to De Luna. De Luna spins, finds a shot, and makes it.
hindi nga, just enough bump to get that shot.
Torrente kicks it out to De Velez for three. Yes, sir! And an unsportsmanlike foul.
Take a look at this, an open 3, late closeout. And sa ilalim,
Let's say your Coach Melo and Joel.
Thank you for that report, Renoa. So, yeah, not much of a pep talk required according to Coach James.
because normally 13 points per quarter. Yun ang kanilang target, and yun nga para sa Aces Solar, they gave up 35 points. So
plus 10.
Plus 10, kinulang sila doon sa kanila. 9 points already.
Sullivan kicking it out. Here's Panahon. On the attack, goes up for the jumper off the bank.
Paano mo naman malilimit to 13 points a quarter?
Oh, good. Para dito kay Amboy. Julio with the ball. Julio on the attack. Julio will get it.
Yeah, to try and regain yung kanyang lost form.
Carolino will go up for the jumper. That's off. Lirio tracks the rebound. Lirio goes up against two and makes it.
Lirio able.
Carolino goes up. Shot doesn't go in. Rubang with the offensive rebound. Kicks it out. Attacking was etong si Sullivan. But ball is stolen. Here's Sullivan. Sullivan on the attack once again. No good. Rubang gets the rebound. Rubang gets the basket and the foul.
The intensity nitong Aces Solars. But take a look at this rebounding play para sa kanya.
That is a pound for pound fitness.
Sana lang din. Don't give up an end one.
Exactly. So Rubang out to Sullivan. Sullivan for the jumper. No good. Rebound goes to Rubang. Energy and enthusiasm, intensity personified. We've got 4.6 seconds to go dito sa ating third quarter. Second one goes in. Sullivan pitches it forward. Nauna si Amboy and he gets that breakaway layup. As we take a look at some highlights from the third quarter. lumalapit na ng lumalapit itong Cavite City pero talagang nasa stave off sila
Yes.
ng San Pedro Spartans, Lucas. Coach Melo and I will be back for the fourth quarter. This is my ball, gets it to Timbol. Fresh 14 seconds on their clock. Timbol with acrobatic move, no good. Rubang loses that rebound and Victor Lero with the easy shot. Here's Victor Lero, gives it back to Timbol. Skip pass to Julio for 3 from the corner. Yes, sir!
That is big para dito sa Aces Solar. They are once again within.
Feliz, that is. Soliven gets a screen from Rubang. Soliven gives it up. Tan Feliz for the jumper. Yes! Gives it up to Panahon. He has 22 points to his name. Panahon attacks! And he makes the layup. And once again, tinamaan yung
Na magbe-birthday,
magbo-birthday ba?
Oo.
And up ahead is Jonas Panahon. And back-to-back. Easy layup. Well, nice.
Yung mga ginagawa.
As Gadlan goes up for the shot, no good. Rebound will stay with the red shirts. Panahon with the shot off the bank. Here are the Spartans. De Luna bringing down the ball. De Luna on the attack with a slight bump and gets the separation and makes the layup.
Hindi niya naipasok.
Here's Panahon. Gets a screen from Rubang. Will go up for 3. Yes, sir! And he's now at his average of Gadlan. Gives it up to Soliven. Cutting is, that's Panahon. No good. Rubang with the offensive rebound. One more try and he makes it.
And that's why Rubang has been sent back here in
Spartans. Lucas will be back to bring you the rest of the fourth quarter.
But in order to get back, kakailangan na nga nila yung mga high percentage shots to fall for them and to make stops.
And mahirap gawin yun if you're katulad ni Jemel Julio na every time makakahawa ka ng bola. Here's Gadlan calling for patience. Nice drop pass to Rubang. Sorry, that was Soliven underneath. It's Rubang with the rebound and the putback. Not to play.
A well-rested Rubang.
De La Peña underneath to Julio. Julio missing. Rebound and the putback. Yes. Rebound goes to Cavite. Julio pushing it up. San Pascual goes up and in.
Good move mula dito kay San Pascual. Wait, ito nga ngayon, San Pedro. They have the luxury of wasting time here.
De Luna drops it off to Rubang for the basket.
Yeah.
Mintes ulit doon si Julio. Ito ang San Pedro. Up ahead is Rubang but he couldn't control the dribble. He's now got 20. Here are the Aces Solar. San Pascual. 22 points and 10 rebounds.
And remember, before he entered the game, dalawa lang ang lamang. He was really...
And both teams will now just shake hands. As the San Pedro Spartans, Lucas.